Everyone, welcome to Jade SOFTECH. Today we are discussing about SAP Intelligent Technologies with SAP S/4HANA. In this video, based on our project experience as digital innovation managers at dozens of customers, we showcase a guided way to explore the use of intelligent technologies in the context of SAP S/4HANA to automate and optimize your business processes. Intelligent technologies and the impact they are having is no longer a futuristic vision or a playground for a few big names. Machine learning, robotic process automation, and the Internet of Things have arrived in everyday life and provide concrete and tangible applications in business processes. From predicting delivery delays to proposing new purchase contracts. Although the path of becoming an intelligent, perhaps even partially autonomous enterprise seems to be sometimes nebulous, there is a solid basis for starting this innovation journey in the ERP context. At this step, companies are faced with the major task of identifying which of the many state of the art technologies and application scenarios are relevant for them. Thank you for watching.